Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be fixing Taylor Momsen's makeup look. I don't really like with her features and with her youth, this dark black eyeshadows, and I added a little bit of glam, I added a little bit of sparkle, I changed a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm going to be showing you what you can do to improve this makeup look and create something decent. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. Well, unfortunately, I was filming some of this makeup look, but my SD card died unexpectedly, and right now I'm filming with a new one. What I did off camera, hydrated my face first of all, then used my foundation from Catrice, bronzed my face with a regular bronzer, whatever you have, like a cream bronzer, and then curved out with a concealer, set my face with Makeup Revolution baking powder, and everything topped with Eclipse contour. This is not a bronzer, this is contour. Place this on the sides of the cheeks. And with my e.l.f. contour palette, this is bronzer. I used the combination of these two colors for my forehead, and I used my sculptor for the nose bridge. And on top of my nose tip, I placed some bronzer as well. Real quick, let's go with the blush from MUA Makeup Academy. More highlighter with my e.l.f. brush. Super simple routine. Over the spots, some leftovers to the forehead, nose bridge, and maybe a little bit more in this area as well. I'm gonna set everything with my Fix and Spray. This is from Catrice Beauty Blender to set everything in place. I'm not aggressive, I'm super gentle with the product. And last but not least, cream contour palette. And I have beautiful blush. Use a combination of both. If you don't have cream blush, go ahead and mix a little bit of your lipstick with probably a little bit of cream moisturizer of your choice, and gently pat with a beauty blender as well. And I have cream highlighter. Last but not least, the same dry highlighter used. I'll do a bit more with the same brush. And I'm going to do my regular brows. You can check out this in my previous routines. Basically, what I'm doing is outlining my brow, filling this in with the same brow pencil, and then with my brow gel, brushing up and adding some NYX strokes. It's really basic brow routine. And today we're going to be experimenting with a little bit different eyeshadow palette. This is OPV Rainbow Splash palette, and it has black color. I got a comment a couple of weeks, I guess, ago from my, I don't know, subscriber or just some random person on TikTok asking about the way I make my eyeshadows pop up that bright, and basically she was asking about black color. Frankly speaking, I don't even know how to answer this question. Most of the time I do the base black eye pencil underneath. You can even go with white because it's still gonna pop up really pretty, but for now it's mainly black eye pencils that I use every single time. I set my lid first with a color. I want to do maybe translucent shade first. That's why let's go with my powder that I set my face with. You can fluffy brush, have it off, and set. And I feel like with her face, and it's so innocent and beautiful, it doesn't really look that pretty. I mean, I love black smoky, don't get me wrong, but this one is extremely bright and it's too much. I have my black pencil, and when we have set lid, we're going on top with black color. I don't want to bring a lot of this color in the inner corner as she does, because I feel like it's given too much darkness. I am going to stop somewhere here, and let's move on with the same pencil up a little bit lower than the actual crease. She has a round shape. My personal favorite is to create a little bit of structure in the outer corner, but nothing crazy. I have a little bit different brush. This is concealer brush from MAC. Let's go with this brush on top and even out the shape. I have small crease brush from Beauty Bay, and let's use a little bit of this black. Name of the eyeshadow is Spring. This is my protection. Place underneath my eyes. I guess this one is going to give a lot of fallouts, and I'm gently patting the color on top. My favorite thing to do is to grab flat brush, go with the same color, and in the outer corner, if I need some shape and structure, it's always better to use something flat and sharp. With leftovers from my crease brush, I'm going on top over my line and blending this out up to the crease. The look she's wearing all the time is matte. I know it, but I guess this line is still quite dramatic. I have Sephora eyeshadow palette, and this is color Frosty. I don't know, maybe not even frosty color, but it does look frosty. I'll grab a little bit of this thing, tap it off, and use it on top. Yeah, it turned out to be a little bit blue. I know, you can keep it black. Just let's go on top with the same color. But it's so much better in my opinion. And it's pretty much easy to recreate my lower lid. We're going with the same black pencil over waterline. And my flat brush that I used for the outer corner, I'm gonna cover just in case. It's so many photos. Going with leftovers of the same brush and doing a little bit more of blending with the same blue shade. Super simple, super pretty makeup look. I'm gonna coat lashes with my mascara. This is from Catrice. I guess with this really bright eye makeup look, the best way to leave your lips really clear, really soft, and almost no color added. And I love this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look lipstick because on the photo she has peach undertone lip gloss and it's really looking fine, but let me show you what I'm talking about. This lip gloss is making the difference. A little bit minty. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I love this makeup look. It turned out really, really sexy, pretty, dark, and glamorous. And I love that I added a little bit of sparkle on top and I didn't keep it completely matte. But it's up to you guys. You can keep it matte. Probably use a little bit of white matte eyeshadows on top or add a little bit of shimmers and it's gonna look so pretty. Think for yourself. Love you all so much. I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.